Dear students, we continue with the principles of home visit. We have to make a note of the important facts about the home visit in your diary. You should carry always a diary with you and be very observable of all the facts. Thanks to the family members and individual for the good response. Steps of home visiting: facts finding, data finding, planning action with individual and family, action and health education, follow up and evaluation of services. These are all the steps we have seen before in the previous video. Advantage: it helps us to develop an interpersonal relationship between the family members and the nurses. Community health nurse assesses the individual and family member in their own environment. It gives an opportunity to observe the background of the family member and their relationship. It helps in the basic understanding of the physical and emotional needs of the individual and to guide them. It helps to gain more knowledge and become realistic as a family member are more relaxed in their own surroundings. It gives an opportunity to find out new health problems. There are various steps of home visit. Plan your home visit according to the routine, high risk and postnatal. Take out the family folder. Note down the important points to be discussed with the family. Inform the village leader and the Anganwadi worker about the visit. Steps in home visit continued. Prepare your community bag. Keep all required articles in the bag before going for the visit. Knock the door and ask permission to enter into the house. Greet the family. Introduce yourself in the family. Talk to every person in the family. Speak about the general things. When you feel they are ready to talk about the reason for visit, explain about the visit. Compliment them for the nice work that they do. Keep a bag on charpai or chair or stool or a table. Talk in the language which family can understand. Be sensitive to immediate needs of the family. Give incidental teaching to the family. For example, you see they are not washing their hand after going to after going to the toilet, etc. And also they are not doing the hand washing before eating their food. They are not washing the vegetables and the things properly. You observe all that and give thorough instruction to each one of them. Give instruction clear and in a simple words. Listen patiently and carefully. Try to answer all the questions. Use safe technique. Give only 2 to 3 health message at a time. Do not accept any gift or payment. Record your activities. Take appointment for the next visit. Report any important event to the authority. Evaluate your visit. Now we go to the community bag, which is a very important thing. During the home visit, to carry out the articles and the tools, community bag may be 14-inch long and 12-inch wide. It is convenient to have bag with outer pocket. Inside of the bag should have 2 sections for articles and solution bottles. Contents of the outer pocket: daily diary, disposable paper bags, hand towel, nail brush, soap and soap dish, spring balance, weighing pans, tape measure. Contents of the inner pocket: lotions, medicines for external use, gentian violet 1 bottle, methyl alcohol 70% 1 bottle, mercurochrome 1 bottle, antiseptic lotion 1 bottle, Dettol or Savnon, Vaseline lubricate, rectal catheter in a small jar, acryflavin with spirit 1 bottle. Medicines for internal use: aspirin tablets, strip or bottle to carry about 20 tablets. Rehydration salt packets 5 to 10 packets. Antispasmodics, vitamins. Community bag articles: other equipments in separate small bag. A small kidney tray, a small gallipot, cotton swabs, 2 paper bags, one of which contains sterile swabs and the other contains clean swab. Gauze pieces, bandages, adhesive tapes and swab sticks. Instruments such as scissors, dissecting an artery, forceps, oral and rectal thermometer, 2 ml syringe disposable with needles for IM injection, 1 file to cut the ampule. What is the purpose of the community bag? To prevent the spread of infection, teach the principles of cleanliness to family, carry out the selected procedure. Indication on the community bag: provide antenatal, intranatal, and postnatal care, carry out certain procedures, provide first aid and follow up care. Bag technique: you have to place the bag on a plastic sheet on a clean hard surface. Remove the hand washing articles and wash the hands after running or poured water. Open the bag and remove the articles as required for the procedure. Place them on the clean surface. Close the bag so that the dust from the outside does not get inside the bag. Carry out the procedure following the scientific principles and steps of the procedure. Receive the soil swabs dressings in the paper bag and dispose this paper bag by burning it. Bag technique: you clean the used instruments with soap and water and then boil them before replacing them in the bag. If it is not possible to boil the soil instruments, then wrap them in a separate clean newspaper and carry them to the center for final disinfection, autoclave, and sterilization. Wash hands. Open the bag and replace the clean articles. Close the bag. Replace soap dish, and hand towel in the outer pocket. Record the condition and the procedure performed in the family folder or health card. Check the bag daily and replenish the used articles for adequate materials for use at all times. Clean the bag, disinfect the articles, and change the lining once in a week. Thank you, dear students.